Right, I do think it's a very historic moment because what we're looking at is really an interpretation of the Constitution and about whether or not if you have if you've sworn to abide by the Constitution and protect it, and then you lead an insurrection, you forego your right to continue to hold a public office. I think the Constitution is clear about that. So what we don't know is whether the Supreme Court will actually uphold the law or will they find technicalities. But I think in the longer view of history, it's an essential thing that if the presidency, if the office of the presidency is no longer accountable to the Constitution, then what future do we have in this country?
I was at the Ellipse on January 6, 2021, listening to President Trump's speech until the very end, and he said absolutely nothing that could be construed as insurrection. And aside from a few, and I use few's a relative term, compared to the size of the crowd, only a few people behaved improperly, and they in no way deserve what they've gotten, but here we are. But the majority of the people here that day, that was no insurrection.
Keep it up.
No one was armed. He deserves to be on the ballot. There's been nothing shown that would disqualify him from that. And the voters definitely should have the say, not the courts, not the appointed judges.
I'm getting there.
Yeah, well, I'm here to support the president because I believe that I don't think that he has violated the 14th Amendment, and therefore I don't think he should be taken off the ballot. However, if that is the case, I think it would actually benefit him a good amount, as it did President Abraham Lincoln back in the election in the 1800s. I believe that if Trump's taken off the ballot today, he will win resoundingly in the states where he is left on the ballot. And that will be enough to probably get him into the White House. So.